Australia has condemned a Chinese fighter jet for releasing flares dangerously close to an Australian surveillance aircraft over the South China Sea. This incident has escalated regional tensions, with Australia labeling the maneuvers as unsafe and unprofessional. The situation underscores the ongoing geopolitical frictions in the region, particularly concerning military activities and airspace sovereignty. In the Red Sea, a new airstrip is under construction on Yemen's Zucar Island, likely developed by forces opposed to the Houthi rebels. This development suggests strategic military advancements in the area, potentially altering the balance of power and control in the region. The construction of such infrastructure could have significant implications for regional security dynamics. The Republic of Korea has awarded L3Harris a substantial $2.26 billion contract for modified Bombardier Global 6500 aircraft, enhancing its airborne early warning and control capabilities. This move significantly boosts South Korea's defense posture, reflecting the nation's commitment to strengthening its military capabilities amid regional security challenges. Anschütz has launched Anschütz Autonomics, a new autonomous navigation system designed to enhance unmanned maritime operations. This innovation represents a significant step forward in maritime security and defense, offering advanced navigational assistance solutions for unmanned vessels. The introduction of such technology is likely to impact future naval operations and strategies. South Africa has proposed mandatory drone registration and the establishment of dedicated drone corridors, reflecting an evolving regulatory framework for drone operations. These changes aim to integrate drones more effectively into the civil aviation system, addressing safety and airspace management concerns. The proposed regulations could influence international drone manufacturers and operators. Turning to the market, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw a slight increase of 0.02% to $178.15, driven by a surge in interest in defense stocks. This interest is partly fueled by ThyssenKrupp's successful market debut of its submarine business, highlighting the sector's growing appeal to investors. Palantir's position in the defense sector continues to attract attention as geopolitical tensions rise. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a significant drop of 6.28% to $350.59. This decline follows the establishment of a central UAS hub in Bavaria, which aims to promote the drone industry. While the hub presents opportunities for growth, the immediate market reaction suggests concerns about increased competition and market saturation. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, fell by 1.34% to $125.65 amid regulatory uncertainties stemming from South Africa's proposed drone regulations. These changes could impact Amphenol's operations and partnerships in the region, as the company navigates the evolving landscape of drone technology and compliance requirements. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, dropped 6.21% to $83.12, following news of General Atomics Aeronautical Systems selection by the U.S. Navy for a collaborative combat aircraft design effort. This contract highlights the competitive nature of defense contracts and the challenges faced by companies like Kratos in securing similar opportunities. Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, saw a decline of 0.93% to $280.02, influenced by the delivery of the first FDI frigate to the French Navy by Naval Group. While this delivery strengthens France's naval capabilities, it also underscores the competitive pressures within the shipbuilding industry, affecting companies like Huntington Ingalls. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor defense stocks for opportunities amid rising geopolitical tensions. 2. Evaluate drone sector investments as regulatory frameworks evolve. 3. Watch for competitive shifts in naval and aerospace contracts.